Okay, this is the so-called RingCurette. It is a very useful tool that to put it on, you go at 90 degree and you see one long, one short, one long, one short. You put that in and then you turn it in. I want to pay attention to actual this. It's nitinol, very flexible, but it does break. The place it usually breaks is 9 out of 10 times this time and rarely this time. But either way, both areas, even if it breaks, they still are connected. And the reason it breaks is because you put too much lateral pressure on it. And I'm going to put it in now here. The way to assemble it, it goes in. Look at that here. It goes in like that. Before it comes out though, this goes in, this comes out, and then you just turn it. See, you see that window? It's going back and forth. And then obviously, then it gets connected to so-called SI standard connectors. Now look at that. This is all the way out and barely any threads here. When I turn it in, it goes easily. Look at that here. With the one finger. Now, the finger doesn't turn it. This is the maximum best length out because it has maximum up and down action and there's not too much stuff out there. Often when you put it in through the tube and it comes out and you try to cut the cartilage of the disc on one side and another side, if it's too much out, it exposes the weak spot. By the way, the weak spot is designed so when it breaks there, and then you still can't take it out. So I'm going to show it to you actually. So what do I say? When it put in your hand, it actually all pulled in. So it can easily pass through this. Oops, these are some dirty stuff in it. We just did the surgery with this. Okay, so you put it in, and now imagine the discs are, I'm going to turn it, so just simulate that these are the end plates. You put it in the direction like that, and then when you open it up, look at that, it goes in the direction of the disc, in this case down, but as well it could be way up, doesn't really matter. Now you open it all the way, but then you use your finger to bring the weak spot inside of this, and then you start doing your work. Once you're done with this side, you pull it in, you turn 180 degrees, go back, and then do the same work back there. But by doing that, literally you core the cartilage, and then you move it as well a little up and down. Now, I was very aggressive a few years back, and I broke almost every 20 case. I broke one of these, but when that's the idea that I wanted to put it to absolute good use because I felt very comfortable. Even if it breaks, I can still pull it back. Now I'm more careful, and maybe in the last 2 years, one time it has broken, but whatever it is because here's the very collapsed disc space, and then you put too much lateral pressure, and then certainly it breaks. Now, when it breaks, you will feel it. I'm going to break this so you see it. Oh, and you literally feel it in your finger that it's broken. You see what it is now? It broke exactly what I told you. That is a weak point, exactly. Now, when it breaks, do not use it anymore, because now, if you use it, it's going to twist it. It becomes difficult to take it out. But when you hear that noise, when you feel that breakage, just take it out. Here, you see that there? Still, look, easily goes in. But if it twists, it becomes harder, okay? Now, I'm going to twist it, then yes, you see what I mean. So, when it breaks, where it's supposed to break is here, 9 out of 10 times. Even if it breaks other side, that's extremely rare. And as a matter of fact, I think I remember only one time it breaking anywhere but here. But either way, both ends are connected. So all you need to do is to take it out. But if you start using it after it breaks, you're going to twist it. And if you do it too much twisting, that becomes just harder to take out. Not impossible, but harder. Now look, it becomes, but still coming out. No problem. Now look what's happening here. I'm going out. You see both broken pieces are still connected safely in a design breakage point, and that enables you to just take it out. Not a single time this has been retained in a patient ever. But this is how you deal with that. Number one, you pull it in until, by using your finger, until the weak point is in the tube here. And number two, use it maybe a little gentler. And number three, when it breaks, don't use it anymore, just pull it out. In the United States, we use it only once for every patient. Obviously, if you're going to use it as a reusable thing, you just have to know it will fatigue, and probably after every 7 to 10 cases, it'll break on you. Just know that your limits and build it into your practice. Thank you.